Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, we're breaking down 3 powerful advanced tools inside the updated OKX Web3 wallet, and I'm also going to show you exactly how a beginner can use them to spot opportunities like a pro. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. Now let's open our OKX wallet right here. You tap Explore at the bottom of your screen, and we have Signal, Tracker, Pump, NFT, and Explorer. So our focus is going to be on Signal, Tracker, and Pump. Okay, first let's look at the Signal tab. So guys, think of this whole section, that's the Signal section, like a smart detector for your crypto research. We have gems, radar, and activities. So our gems is where OKX algorithm automatically highlights early stage opportunities and trending movements before they hit social media. So you click this arrow right here, this drop down arrow, to select network of your choice. So if you want Solana, you click Solana. If you want gems on BNB chain, you click BNB. If you want it on Ethereum or Base, you click the network of your choice. Okay, directly beside gems is the radar feature. So this monitors different signal types. Okay guys, so as a beginner, you should focus on 3 specific categories: smart money, influencers, and whales. Okay guys, smart money are wallets belonging to highly profitable traders. If they buy, the radar alerts you and you ape, while influencers are well-known big personalities in the Web3 space. Okay, and whales are wallet addresses holding significant token amounts. If you want smart money signal, you just click smart money and click apply. Okay, and if you want influencers, you just click influencers and click apply. If you want all, you click on all and click apply. It all depends on your choice though. So for instance, if you wish to ape this particular gem, MEXC mode on Solana, so it did a 3x, you'll just click this buy option right here and then fund your wallet with some Solana since it's on Solana chain. But if whatever gem you're buying is on a different chain, you fund it with that coin. For instance, if you're buying a gem on Ethereum chain, you fund your wallet with Ethereum. Okay, but since this MEXC mode is on Solana chain, you fund it with your Sol. Okay, so you just click on this buy and input the amount of token you wish to purchase. Okay, so I know that sounds like a lot of noise, okay, which is why you must use this filters menu. Let's click on this filter menu by clicking on this filter icon, and you have protocols where you choose the specific network to you want to look at. We have pump fund, bonk, bags, and many more. Okay, so on the metrics, you filter by trade sizes so you can hide irrelevant trades and only look at the big players. Signals is where you pick exactly what type of notification you want to see, like a heavy buy or a sell-off. Okay, so if you don't want a token below 5,000 market cap, you just input a minimum of 5,000 here, and perhaps if you don't want it above 100,000, you input 100,000. Okay, and you input your desired volume, minimum and maximum, and also your minimum holders and maximum holders. So next up is the tracker feature. Let's head back. Let's click tracker. So guys, the tracker is your personal spy. Yeah, more like a spy. So inside you'll see a leaderboard, and The leaderboard categorizes the top performing players into two lists. Okay, we have influencers and smart money. So instead of guessing who is actually good at trading, OKX ranks them by their real on-chain win rates, okay, and profits. For instance, you could see this trader right here, MEXC, has a win rate of 41.14%. And then this Doji guy has a win rate of 48.19%. So if you wish to copy their trade, you just click on this copy trade option, and whenever that specific pro trader buys or sells a token, your OKX wallet flags it immediately. That's what the monitor tab is for, okay? So finally, let's look at the pump tab. So guys, this section shows early stage tokens that are just launching. The pump feature consists of new pairs. New pairs show you tokens the exact second they are created across different blockchains, okay? So while the migrating zone means the token is building up huge trading volume and it's ready to launch on a DEX, then we have the migrated tab for tokens that are officially trading on the open market, okay? So checking this helps you easily spot which new coins are gaining real traction and where the heavy volume is moving right now, guys. And if you want to have like a deeper understanding of the label definitions, you just click on this eye icon at the top right of your screen, so it tells you what icon to look at when you're looking for the top 10 holders or the dev, the insider, the sniper, or bundler, okay? That's basically it, guys. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye, see you in the next video.